Hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh and the Action Mash. Today, as you can see, I'm here with Servisslimline. Hello, Smithy. Hello. We have got this Hoover. It is the sensor dry eco technology WDYNS654D. I can't read. Yep. Washer dryer, slimline, skinny as me. Oh. And it is now working, as you'd have seen in the short and in the other video, but it is absolutely filthy. It needs feet, it needs cleaning, it needs
quite a few parts, but it works.
So what we're going to do is literally just give it a preliminary clean up and tidy, because as you can see, it's not that bad, but it could be better. Yeah, just needs a soak. What the heck is that? Dried something or other. So yes, so this is what we're going to do today with it, is to give it a little bit of a freshen up facelift. And the first thing we're going to do is remove that stupid, dodgy, ugly manky sticker. Right, that's correct. Right, so I've got the door strip. Those are the parts for it. I've taken out the heat shield because that can stay off until it's sold eventually. The lovely Raddy here is cleaning all the parts here in the sink, in the new sink. It's so good having that sink. So there's the door parts there. Kettle's on for the hot water. And Phil is over here now. He is taking the sump out of it.
20p.
There was a 20p piece in it, which is just
3 buttons.
3 buttons. We'll get buttons.
Yeah. I need a pot to drain that into.
A pot to drain it. A pot to piss in. Hang on. So there we have this. Oh, look at that. Do you want a bucket with some water? Please. Okay, so that is just the start of what it's going to clean up like. Okay, so we got some clean parts there. Look at that drawer. Raddy did an awesome job on that. And the thing that goes in the thing there. That's nice and clean. So there we go. Phil has now finished the front. One part of the door is done. Look at the difference on that now, with that ugly sticker gone and everything. Yeah, it looks amazing.
Massive difference. Right, let's get this back.
So there you go, guys, the door on that. Look at the difference. So it's been completely stripped. The amazing Raddy has cleaned it. It is sparkling. Look at it. There's some damage on the glass there, but there's nothing you can do. And it's the first time I've ever taken one of these doors apart. It's nice and simple, actually. It wasn't too bad. Heat shield has gone as well. But yeah, I'm chuffed with that, because it's the first time I've done one of these doors like this on this brand of machine, and I was able to do it without any help and put it back. So yeah, the bodger can do something. Right, so let's judge the reaction of the engineer. Have a look.
Yep, that is up to my standards, that'll do.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Right,
I've got my bits here if you want. I've got my bits over here if you want.
We have got, I've cleaned the back of the machine, and also there was something else. Oh yeah, the drawer, the detergent drawer. So that's relatively clean. I've ordered a new door seal for it, because I think it deserves it, because that is yuck. And it's got bits in it. So Phil is just having a quick squiz now inside the box of bits to see if there's a belt in there that we can use.
After a while, I've had to replace a couple of these in the front.
Oh, as in if you were to... Okay.
Yeah,
right, so we put Singer oil in the motor, put feet on it, put the replacement belt on it, which was tighter than the other one. So now Phil is just putting the box on.
Easier. Can I have my socket? Socket.
Right, I'm gonna go. Right, okay, we have literally got it all plugged in, plumbed in, cleaned, everything.
Well, needs a rinse out inside, but yeah.
Yeah, which is what we're going to do now. Let's test the rinse. Hang on, you've got all the cables the other side connected around it.
What? Oh, it's only just throwing that round the back, just out the way.
Right, let's give
got
it
power?
a rinse.
Yes. Rinse down there. At least if it leaks, it just goes straight out the drain.
And it's not on the carpet, which is good.
Yep. Probably does look good.
It does, because it's come up really well.
Yeah. Still plenty to do on it, but it looks
Ordered
alright.
a new door seal, so that will come. It'll look really nice.
New belt on it.
Yeah.
Sunk clean, not that it needed it. Felt clean, felt it had loads of stuff in it.
Yeah. And then after this little bit now, we will do a cycle in it. It's
Fluff.
mess.
This is a drum clean or anything.
Got the rags on it.
I was going to say, yeah, do the rags in it first.
Alexa, turn off studio lights.
Oh, it's actually clear. It's just got bits in it. Oh, mine's just got a level indicator.
Yeah.
Mine hasn't.
Oh, we haven't turned it on.
Unless mine does and the old one doesn't. That'll be why.
The new one will.
Oh,
Yeah, we turned it on.
don't even know how.
New one video.
Yeah. Very good time. Oh, camera settings. Red level. Haha. That's for that one. Don't think my old one will have that, will it?
Might do.
Might do. Well, now I know what to look for. I mean, I do my... Well, I have to level it and then see. It does now. Yeah, it did. It did.
Oh,
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, there we go.
Hey, that's good. Right, I'll check the other one in a minute.
No worries.
That goes off when it's level.
Yeah.
Right. That's good. Ooh, the bits in it.
Lots of it. It's training better.
Oh yeah, we'll do. It's got 20p and 3 shirt
Buttons.
buttons missing out of it. There we go, the bearing's all squeaky now. It's all shiny now.
It does.
Doesn't
I
need a
can
top
see
clean.
through it. Let's see what it sounds like. Is that bearings on it?
What? No. Spun earlier, it's fine.
It's just the motor.
Good stuff. Yeah, I know what you mean. It's definitely a new motor though.
Yeah. Christ, when was the last time it was used on a proper cycle? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It really needs a good hot wash.
Which we'll get.
Now.
Yep. Originally, I told Chris to scrap this.
Ah.
I said, no, I'll take a risk on it, actually.
Yeah, I'll only use it until you have it typically next.
If it's still working.
It'll be much better condition. Polished, shiny, new door seal, top
Yeah,
minis.
I'm on about that, unless the board goes again. Or
Oh
bearing.
God, no, don't.
No, I know. Another rinse.
No, it'll do. Right, so there we go, guys. Phil has put it all together. Raddy and High with just the assistance in the cleaning of it and everything, but yeah, he's put a new board on it and it works really well. So what we're going to do now is end the video here and we will do a cycle in it now, a hot cycle, cleaning up all the rags that we used to clean this mucky thing. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, Phil, for
Alright.
doing this up here with us. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.